Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a party in order to play a match on the Marvel Rivals game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marvel Rivals game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the homepage after logging in. From here, you can click on the play option in order to start playing various different game modes. When you click on this option, you will be able to choose your hero, and you may also choose the game mode by clicking on the change mode option. Once you have chosen the game mode that you wish to play, you can start a solo game if you wish by clicking on the solo option, and you have the team menu at the left side where you can add your friends in order to create a team so that you can play together. So if you wish to add someone, just click on the plus icon, and now this will open up your friends list. If you have any friends that you have added, you can simply tap on their profile, and if they are online, then this will send a join request to this user in order to join your current match. Once they accept your request, their profile will also appear within your team, and you can then tap on the start button once all of the players are ready in order to start playing together with your friends. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your group or team on the Marvel Rivals game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.